Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza, and today I'm going to discuss, do you want to put your real estate into a trust or do you want to put it into a limited liability company, otherwise called an LLC? Before we get started, if estate planning is something you want to talk more about, or you want to explore your options, feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so if you own real estate, do you want to put it into a trust or into an LLC, otherwise called a limited liability company? In regards to your primary residence, the home you live in, you're going to want to put that into your living revocable trust. So during your lifetime, your home is in the trust. You control the trust. You're the trustee of the trust. So you're not going to lose control of the trust. But the reason you put your primary residence into the trust is when you pass away, it can go on to your beneficiaries or heirs according to the terms of the trust, as opposed to having to have a probate case opened and then administered. So in order to avoid probate, you put your primary residence into the trust. As far as rental properties, secondary properties, especially now with kind of the Airbnb world where people are buying rental properties to use as weekend Airbnbs, things of that nature. Those additional pieces of real estate, you're going to want to put those more likely than not into their own LLC. So you create an LLC, you put the property into the LLC, so the LLC, the limited liability company, owns the property. That way, if something happens at the property, someone gets hurt, some sort of liability arises regarding that property, that limited liability company is on the hook, and the only asset of the limited liability company is the real estate. And of course, you're going to want to have that real estate well insured as well. What that does is it shields you personally and shields your estate from liability for that property. However, what you're going to want to do is the LLC will own the property, but you're the member of the LLC. You own the LLC. We call this a membership ownership, and usually it's broken down into units. And then you're going to want to actually have the trust, your living revocable trust, is going to want to be the owner of the membership units or shares of the LLC. So the LLC owns the home or the second, the rental properties. But you and your trust is going to own the membership units of the LLC. So hopefully you can see the difference there. But that's kind of what you want to do with your rental properties, is they're protected in their own LLC, and your living revocable trust owns the membership shares of the LLC. And of course, I'm a big proponent of insurance. Make sure the property is well insured, because that's really going to be what gets you out of a jam more likely if something does happen at the property. But that's it. Your primary residence should go into your living revocable trust. Your rental properties should be in LLCs, and then your living revocable trust should own the shares or membership units of the LLC. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you got something out of this. If estate planning is something you want to talk more about or explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. I hope you got something out of this. Thank you for watching the video as always, and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.